guys, I know you can't see my face. We're going to be making a slime today. So, what you're going to want to do is pour some of this or whatever. I don't care what you use as long as it's thick. I've never seen this one before. I just made sure it's thick and I bought it. So, I'll let you look at it. And it smells kind of good. Not all the way. So, you're going to add some. You want to mix that up for a couple of minutes, and you're going to see that it's kind of forming, just like that, and then you're touching it. It's coming up with you, so that's why I have a little bit of go up. So, I don't want it right now to be seen. So what you're gonna, so they can see the slime. Okay, my pop is just crazy. Sorry guys. So mix this up.
You can put the collar back on. You wear that thing.
Okay, see it? It's just slime.
I'm gonna beat your head in.
And that should be it, guys. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer for a minute. And we'll see what happens. So let's wait. And guys,